Hi, in front of me is SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down, choose Lock Screen and Security over here. Then pick Screen Lock and select one of the lock methods, swipe pattern, PIN or password. Tap on the chosen one, enter it, then click Continue at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap Confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Over here you need to choose when your device is locked, how do you want notifications to show. I will go with Hide Sensitive Notification Contents, I have to click on it and tap Done. Now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!